BYD's YangWang U8. Did you know that the name of the Chinese auto giant BYD stands for Build Your Dreams? Well, that's exactly what they are doing. In March 2023, journalists captured the new SUV YangWang U8 on camera. Experts have noticed its design resemblance to the Land Rover Defender, but its specs are unique. The vehicle features 4 independent electric motors generating a total of 1,100 horsepower. It offers incredible capabilities, allowing the driver to turn 360 degrees on the spot, drive diagonally, and even swim across the nearest body of water. The release date hasn't been announced yet, but the price is around $143,000 for a car that accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. Ram Revolution. Check out the cool new Ram Revolution. This awesome idea comes straight from the folks at Ram Trucks in the USA. Picture this, a bed in the back that stretches out to a hopping 5.5 meters. But that's not all. Forget a regular dashboard. This pickup truck rocks a heads-up display. It even has a shadow mode that trails behind someone walking in front of it. And get this, it can do some serious autonomous driving at level 3. Inside, they've gone eco-friendly using materials like recycled plastic bottles and apple peels. Now that's a truck making waves in a whole new way. Rams Mobile. Let's delve into the Belarusian Hummer, commonly known as the Rams Mobile, a vehicle that truly earns respect for its design and technological prowess. The hydraulic door folding mechanism, a masterpiece in itself, required a year and a half of dedicated development. However, the real showstopper is the retractable track, setting its sights on becoming the most remarkable off-roader globally. Adding to the allure, each seat is fitted with an electronic hookah, ensuring a distinctive experience for occupants. The Rams Mobile offers versatility with 3 versions: gasoline, diesel, and electric, catering to different preferences. This luxurious and powerful ride comes with a price tag of approximately $1.5 million, making it an investment for those seeking a standout and exclusive driving experience. Volkswagen Tristar. Back in 2014, Volkswagen engineers rolled out the Tristar, a concept pickup truck born from the foundation of the Volkswagen T5 van. This vehicle is all about adaptability, boasting a dual cargo platform that includes a retractable section beneath the truck bed. Inside, the surprises keep coming: a built-in coffee machine, seats that rotate for convenience, and a robust 204 horsepower diesel engine paired with a 7-speed gearbox. E for speed, the Tristar can reach a top speed of 185 kilometers per hour. It's a versatile and feature-packed ride that goes beyond the traditional pickup truck experience, showcasing Volkswagen's commitment to innovation and practical design. BMW Z1. Now, let's shift our focus to the BMW Z1, a small but hip sensation ranking 3rd in a parade of cool doors. Sporting a 170 horsepower engine and a 5-speed manual gearbox, this gem had a limited production run of just 8,000 units. Yet, what steals the spotlight is its magical door setup. Windows gracefully retract into the doors, and the doors themselves vanish into the floor, all at the touch of a remote control. The BMW Z1 is not just about horsepower and manual shifts. It's a masterclass in innovative design, showcasing doors that add an extra. Rezvani Beast Alpha Sidewinder doors. Claiming the runner-up spot is the Rezvani Beast Alpha, a remarkable Californian-made supercar boasting a powerful 500 horsepower engine that can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. What truly distinguishes this speed demon is its distinctive design. HiPhi X, taking the coveted first place, is the HiPhi X, a Chinese electric vehicle SUV that may seem unassuming at first glance but delivers a jaw-dropping surprise when you open its doors. Breaking away from traditional handles, the rear door takes center stage by splitting into 2 sections, one gracefully swinging 89 degrees back and the other lifting an impressive 80 degrees up. The HiPhi X not only embraces innovation in electric vehicle technology, but also redefines expectations with a door design that adds a touch of futuristic flair. This top-ranking SUV from China proves that the future of automotive excellence goes beyond horsepower and speed, making a bold statement with its uniquely engineered entrance. Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo. Embark on a journey with a Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo, a camper minivan crafted for the spirit of adventure. Drawing inspiration from the renowned Venetian traveler, it transforms into a home, away from home, with plush armchairs, a convenient built-in kitchenette, a convertible roof, and 4 cozy beds. Whether you opt for rear or all-wheel drive, the Marco Polo offers versatility to match your explorations. Under the hood, it's powered by a choice of 3 diesel engines, providing a mix of performance and efficiency. Priced at around $70,000, the Marco Polo is not just a vehicle. It's an invitation to embrace the open road with comfort, style, and a promise of unforgettable journeys. Dump Bed Kit. If you're looking to transform your pickup truck into a versatile dump truck, consider the available upgrade kits priced at around $1,500. From the PH310 model, capable of handling loads up to 3 tons, to the flagship PH630 model with an impressive 12-ton capacity, these kits provide a range of options. Equipped with remote control functionality, these upgrades offer not only convenience but also a myriad of applications. Whether you're tackling smaller loads or handling more substantial tasks, these kits bring a new level of functionality to your pickup, turning it into a powerful and flexible workhorse with the capability to handle various materials and tasks. DMV Dual Mode Vehicle. In the birthplace of the Transformers franchise, Japan showcases real-life innovation with buses that seamlessly transition between roads and rails. The transformation process takes a mere 15 seconds, offering a convenient and fuel-efficient option for commuters. However, for safety reasons, these dual-mode buses operate on separate routes for road and rail travel. This unique adaptation reflects Japan's commitment to integrating advanced technology into everyday life, providing a practical solution to the challenges of urban transportation. The blend of road and rail capabilities not only enhances efficiency, but also exemplifies Japan's constant pursuit of inventive solutions to meet the evolving needs of its transportation infrastructure. DT Works. For those seeking specialized vehicles in Australia, specialists provide upgrades that transform ordinary production cars into versatile solutions such as campers or mobile workshops. Offering both ready-made modules and customized configurations, these specialists cater to a diverse range of needs. Whether you're envisioning a comfortable camper for adventurous journeys or a mobile workshop for on-the-go projects, these upgrades provide tailored solutions to meet specific tasks. This flexibility allows individuals and businesses alike to adapt their vehicles to unique requirements, showcasing the adaptability and innovation of Australian specialists in providing purpose-built vehicles for a variety of applications. Dillon Tactical Vehicle. Hailing from the United States, this automotive marvel is equipped with a minigun that springs into action in a mere 3 seconds, capable of a full 360-degree rotation. Enhanced with B6 level armor, it ensures additional protection, making it an ideal choice for VIP escorts. Astonishingly, in just 8 seconds, this vehicle seamlessly transforms back into a conventional mode, offering both firepower and discretion as needed. This blend of cutting-edge weaponry, swift transformation capabilities, and top-notch armor underscores the commitment to security and innovation, creating a formidable yet adaptable vehicle designed to meet the demands of high-profile and high-security situations. Jumping lowriders. Lowriders, synonymous with hip-hop culture, are easily identifiable cars that boast unique capabilities such as jumping and dancing, thanks to their meticulously crafted suspensions. Gaining popularity globally, these vehicles undergo extensive customization featuring small wheels, powerful audio systems, shiny chrome details, and plush, comfortable seats. The lowrider culture is not just about automotive modifications, but is also a form of self-expression, with owners putting their creative touch on these vehicles to make a bold and distinctive statement. From cruising down the streets to participating in car shows, lowriders have become iconic symbols of urban style and creativity, showcasing a fusion of automotive innovation and cultural identity within the hip-hop community.